In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. If you've ever deleted something by mistake, don't worry. Google Drive usually keeps removed items in a special holding area so you can bring them back. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see, and share a few helpful details so you know where your file goes after it's restored. Start by opening Google Drive and landing on the main home area. This is the familiar page where you see your folders, recent files, and quick access suggestions. Make sure you're in your own drive view rather than a shared drive if that's where the file originally lived. As soon as you're on the home screen, you're in the right place to begin recovery. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Trash. In some regions, this may be labeled Bin, but it serves the same purpose. It temporarily stores files and folders you deleted. Think of it like a safety net. When you open Trash, you'll see a list of everything currently marked for removal but not yet permanently erased. Items usually stay here for a limited time before they're auto-removed, so it's best to act promptly once you notice something is missing. Inside Trash, find and click the file you want to bring back. Selecting it highlights the item and helps you confirm it's the correct one by name, icon, or last modified date. If you see multiple versions of similarly named files, take a moment to check the details panel so you restore the right one. You're not changing anything yet, just selecting the file so you can access its options. With the file selected, open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots. This menu contains the key controls for items in Trash. If you don't see the menu at first, make sure the file is actually highlighted. The menu options are context sensitive and appear when an item is selected. Finally, choose Restore. The moment you click Restore, Google Drive returns the file to its original location just as it was before you deleted it. If that original folder no longer exists, Drive typically places the file back in My Drive so it's easy to find. After restoring, it's a good idea to navigate to that spot and verify the file opens as expected. If you don't see the file in Trash, it may have been permanently removed due to time limits or manual emptying. For managed work or school accounts, your organization's administrator may still be able to help within a limited window. And that's it, your file is back where it belongs.